Hi, my name's Valentina. My chosen problem is the disparities in breastfeeding. So we'll just jump right in with a surprising statistic. 900 is the number of infant lives that could be saved in the United States each year if 90% of mothers breastfed exclusively for the first 6 months. So I've listed some of the benefits of breastfeeding for both moms and babies. These include reducing illnesses, reduction of risk for SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome, reduction in risk for allergies, eczema, celiac, reducing risk for obesity and diabetes. As for the mom, there are a variety of benefits, both short-term and long-term, including reducing risk for PPD, postpartum depression, reducing risk for diabetes, and for cancer. So my practicum focused on breastfeeding, but what I noticed while working with the El Paso population was that those who seek breastfeeding help are usually of a high socioeconomic status and well educated. And so that kind of frustrated me because I knew already that the rates were better for that group. And I've been really interested in reaching groups who have lower success rates for breastfeeding. So in El Paso, the rate is 16% versus 20% in the United States. So breastfeeding initiation rates are lowest for those who are least educated, of the lowest income brackets, and African American. Overall, the breastfeeding initiation rate in the U.S. is 79%, but as you can see from those numbers at the bottom, they're lower for those groups that I listed. And then when you look at 6 months later, they're again lowest for those groups. 13 is the billions of dollars that would be saved each year if 90% of mothers breastfed for the first 6 months. And then here is my health risk thingy. I'll leave that up for a minute so you can take a look. But it's essentially, the risk factors for various groups, everything from no family history of breastfeeding, lack of maternity leave, access to free formula, potentially a risk factor, those kinds of things. So the CDC has developed 9 primary strategies for improving breastfeeding rates. As to what I'd like to know is what's really the key barriers in El Paso and which of these strategies would need to be implemented here as to reduce the barriers preventing improved breastfeeding rates in El Paso. And here's some of my references. And also this is clearly not my design. It's a Google template, so just want to make that clear. All right, that's all. Thank you.